So I ordered a Ledger Nano S from Amazon. I ordered one, and when I got it, it was shrink wrapped, but when I opened it up, there was like grease marks on the inside of the box, and there's scuff marks and a little bit of dirt on the Nano Ledger itself. So just in case I returned it, and I got this one just today. I took off the shrink wrap. I pretty much opened up. There's no grease on the inside of this one. This one pretty much has, I found some dirt on the inside, like some hairs, like a white hair. The ledger itself had some scuff marks, pre-installed scuff marks, I guess. So I don't know if this is just how it comes from the factory, like scuffed up a little, or if this is another like used item that was returned and sold back as new. Pretty much I opened all this up, the welcome thing. I've been watching the unboxing videos on YouTube. A lot of them have like the logos are here, and on the paperwork too there's logos, but when you open this up, let's say get started, but there's no logo here. I mean, pretty much this all looks similar to what everyone has on YouTube, except it's missing logos. So I don't know if this is like a Chinese replica, or if this is just like the series where it has no logos. And say like this, like whenever I've gotten something like this from maybe Apple, I can zoom in, like this looks like a little shitty. I don't know if these are used or what. I don't know if you can pick it up. There was some like dust or dirt on this cord too. This looks fine, so I don't know if this is just how it is from the factory, or if I have a unit that was used, or if this is like a knockoff. I don't know. I guess any suggestions you can leave in the comments. Let me know.